Hello everyone, I'm Sidhvita, a member of Krino Forensics. In this video, we are going to discuss urine as a forensic evidence. Urine is one of the most commonly encountered biological fluids in forensic and toxicological investigations, especially in the cases related to drug abuse, poisoning, and substance monitoring. So, let us understand this topic in a more detailed manner. In this lecture, we will cover a basic introduction to urine, the formation and composition of urine, presumptive and confirmatory tests, and finally, its forensic significance. This will help you to understand why urine is considered as an important evidence in forensic science. Now, let us start with the introduction. Urine is a liquid excretory product of kidneys. It is expelled from the body through the urinary tract. Urine is produced by the kidneys through the filtration of blood plasma in the structures called nephrons. During this filtration process, waste products and the excess substance are removed from the blood and excreted in the form of urine. Now, let us understand the formation and composition of urine. Urine is composed mainly of water, which forms about 95% of its content. The remaining components include urea, uric acid, salts, drugs, hormones, and various metabolic waste products. Because of urine carries these substances, it becomes extremely useful in toxicology and drug analysis. Now let us move on the presumptive test for urine. Presumptive tests are preliminary tests that helps in suggesting the presence of urine, but they are not conclusive. The first test is urease test. This test detects the presence of urea by the release of ammonia, which produces an alkaline reaction. The second test is dimethyl aminobenzaldehyde test. This test detects urobilinogen, which is a component of urine. Another method includes observing odor and color under the UV light, as urine may show faint fluorescence. In addition, specific gravity and pH testing can help in identifying general characteristics of the sample. Now, let us discuss confirmatory tests. Confirmatory tests provide definitive and reliable results. Techniques like GCMS or LCMS are used to confirm the presence of drugs and their metabolites in urine samples. ELISA is used for hormone or drug screening, especially in clinical and forensic settings. In some cases, DNA analysis can also be performed. Now, let us understand the forensic significance of urine. Urine is widely used in drug and poison detection, especially in the cases of substance abuse. It can also be used for DNA profiling if epithelial cells are present. Urine analysis is important in pregnancy testing through the detection of HCG hormone. Urine stains help in linking the suspect to crime scenes. It also commonly used in monitoring substance abuse, especially in workplace testing and legal investigations. So to conclude, urine is a highly valuable biological evidence, particularly in forensic toxicology. Its ability to reflect recent drug intake and metabolic activity makes it an important tool in criminal and medico legal investigations. Thank you for listening. I hope this lecture helped you to understand the forensic importance of urine. Please drop your comments below if you have any questions or want us to explain any forensic topic. We would be happy to cover them in future videos, and the presentation document will be shared on our social media channels. You can directly access the document from there. Stay tuned for next video to learn with Krino Forensics.